What's going on YouTube? Bum in a Suit here. Come back another box break of Certified. Let's pull something really nice. We need it. Nice mirror black rookie card. Cam Newton. Empty box. Let's just pull a Cam Newton. Maybe some Andy Dalton, AJ Green, Julio Jones. Let's pull somebody decent. Good luck, pack one. We got a rookie card of Robert Holsler to $9.99, whoever the hell that is, for the Cardinals. Let's pull vet auto. Pulled a nice vet auto last time. Patch auto Phil Simms last time. I think there's an auto in here actually. Good luck. I think I saw something in here. It may not be, so I don't know. If it's not, I'm sorry. It's a Packer. Is that autoed? It is. Autograph for the Packers. It's that DJ Williams. Numbered 100 of 100. DJ Williams for the Packers. Numbered 100 of 100. Nice little autograph there. Last one made. Got a Christian Ponder, numbered to $9.99, rookie card. Got a Kevin Walter to $2.50. I'm trying. Got a hit in here. I can just tell by the way it's laying. It's a freaking redemption again. Wait a second here. Oh, I thought it was the same freaking one. I about had a cow. I thought it was the same one. Another freshman fabric redemption. This one will be for the Jets. $2.85 Bilal Powell. Last one was $2.58. This one's $2.85. Bilal Powell for the Jets. You guys can see that on there or not. Come on, focus in. Right there, $2.85. Second to last one, Bilal Powell. Bilal Powell. Every box I've opened a Certified, I've never actually pulled the rookie. It's always been a redemption or something different. They're auto. I'm assuming they're auto jersey. I mean, if it's a redemption, it's got to be an auto. They wouldn't redeem just a jersey. I wouldn't think anyway. I don't know though. You know, never know. Wouldn't pass it by Panini. Alright, good luck. Got another hit in here. It's going to be a jersey. There you go. Kyle Rudolph rookie jersey for the Vikings. Kyle Rudolph. Number to $2.50. Then we had a Daniel Thomas rookie card. Okay. Just hit me up at the end of the break and remind me, and I'll write it down. We got a Mike Williams to 100 for the Hawks. Just base, mirror, blue. So looking for one more hit. And it's going to be right here. Because this is fat. Alright, good luck. There you go, it's an eagle. So it's going to be randomed. Nice little 2-color patch of Deshaun Jackson. It will be random. I was hoping for no randoms, but that will be a random. And that one is numbered 13 of 25. 13 of 25. So, one random so far. And that should be it for the box of certified. Got an Anthony Allen rookie, last pack. And TJ Yates rookie. And that is it for the certified. Come back with another box break. Bowman Suit out.